Hey everyone, Ryan here with the KW Tech training team, and I'm back with another lead gen tactic to help you thrive in the current market. So we've talked about how we can utilize direct mail campaigns in Command to geofarm or generate leads within a specific geographic area that we might not have touched yet. But did you know you can also use direct mail to stay in touch with your current sphere? That's right, through database targeting, you can send and print postcards directly from within Command and send those out to whomever you choose from your database without ever having to set foot in a print shop or a post office. So let's take a look at how easy it is to utilize Command to send those out for whatever purpose we may have. I'm here within the direct mail campaigns portion of my Command account, and I've accessed this just by simply clicking into my campaigns applet, our marketing one-stop shop here in the program, and tabbing over to direct mail, which is where we're able to create and send out those beautiful postcards. Just like with geofarming, I'm going to follow the same process to create a new direct mail campaign. So that means clicking the Create Campaign button here in the top right and selecting direct mail as the type of campaign. Now I'll need to name it anything that makes sense within my own organization of my Command account and indicate what my goal or objective is with this campaign. Now I'll go ahead and click Create Campaign, and because I selected my goal as being advertising a listing, something cool is going to happen. So as you can see, when I start to create that campaign, Command knows that I'm looking to advertise a listing, and it's going to help me out with that by using the KWLS integration. So this will allow me to select a listing that is connected to Command already and pull all the details from that directly into the postcard that I'm creating. So if I pick this here in North Pole, Alaska, I click select next to that listing. In the content space, I'll now be able to pull all those details into one of the default templates provided with this type of campaign. So here I can select a size if I want to choose between a compact default or large template size with varying dimensions. So I'll go ahead and pick that default template here. Next, I'll notice that all my listing details are filled out for me because I pulled those straight from the MLS. So now I don't really have to do as much work, and that's a huge win for our efficiency and productivity. I'm just going to select a listing status, say this is a just sold home, and then my last step is going to be selecting from the listing images where I can again pull from that MLS connection to seamlessly bring in all of the wonderful photos that are already located there. So now I can click on the image I like the most, and voila, that is right there in my postcard as I'm creating this campaign, and that already looks like a great mailer that's going to catch a lot of eyes. Now that I've finished with my content steps, I'll just need to save and proceed to my Market Center verification. Once again, this should pull from your marketing profile, so just go ahead and verify that state and zip code in order to proceed. Now, this is where things are a little different because instead of using local targeting to geofarm for a specific area, I want to send this to people I already know. So I can target my database instead, which will allow me to select specific contacts that I want to send this mailer out to. So if I click this Add Contacts button, I'll be able to search and even utilize my tags organization system to pull in all of those folks with addresses that I want to post this to. I got Bobby Buyer, I got Bugs Bunny, and so on, allowing me to select exactly who I want this to go out to. Once I've selected those and click Add to Campaign, I'll see that the budget is going to update itself based on the number of contacts that I've selected. So if you pick 2 contacts with addresses to send this to, you'll see that it already populates for 2 postcards and those prices that KW has negotiated on your behalf. Now that's all there is to it. So when my campaign looks good, I've previewed the front and the back, and I'm ready to proceed, I can click Preview and Payment to finalize this campaign and get it out there into the world, Remembering again that our budget is going to include both the printing at a local printer through our integration partner, as well as the postage for it to reach its destination. So for $1 and some change, that is not too bad. And I can think of all sorts of ways that our agents can start to utilize this to stay engaged and occupy that mind share with their databases. So this has been another lead gen tactic to help you thrive in the current market. Until next time,